Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how I've painted this beautiful wall plate. So let's get started. First of all, I have taken a paper plate of a medium size. So let's start drawing the borders. So borders are very important in Madhubani painting. So you can take any reference according to your taste. So I'm drawing here some triangles. You can draw circles, leaves, or any other designs of your choice. Next I'll draw some double lines. So double line is very important. Inside this I'm drawing a parrot. You can take any reference according to your choice. You can draw any designs. Here also I'm drawing double lines. If you're liking this video, please give a thumbs up and please leave your valuable feedback in the comment section. So now for the coloring part, I'm coloring it with two alternate colors, orange and red. This pattern was already there in the plate, or you can draw it yourself. Now to give contrast to the first two colors, I'm adding blue color here in the triangles. So it looks amazing with the contrast colors. Now fill some colors inside. Okay, so this is a parrot, so that's why I have filled green color, but it's not a restriction. You can add any color to any designs. At last, the most important part is the detailing with the black pen. So I'm using here a thin tip CD marker. So these slanting and straight lines are very important. So wherever you find some empty spaces, you can fill it with the black lines. You can draw some vertical lines or horizontal lines as you wish. So these detailings with the black color looks amazing and gives a nice finishing. At last I'll add some double tape so that I can stick this plate to the wall. Because it is paper plate, it is very light. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.